Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the M1 Pro. Now you can see this is 14-inch 2024. The chip is M1 Pro and the RAM is 32 gigabytes. Now you can see the storage is 1 terabyte, and you can see this is the battery capacity is 98% and the cycle count 81 times. You can see this is space gray color. You can see the keyboard looks like brand new, okay, and a little bit dirty here. And you can see the trackpad function is normal. The trackpad, okay, the trackpad is okay, and you can see this surface no, okay, no scratches. The speaker grills no scratches, okay. And show you the logo surface, okay. You can see the logo, no scratch, no scratch in the logo, no scratches. And you can see M1 Pro 32 gigabytes and okay, no scratch, okay. Let me show you the ports. You can see the port, a little bit of traces of use, okay. And show you the other side. This corner, no bumps, and no scratches, no scratches. Okay, no problem. A little bit dirty, no scratches, and you can see this edge. See something? Okay, close. What is this? A little bit dirty, and show you the 14-inch display. I changed the wallpaper and change the wallpaper and change the color, the gray color. Now you can see the screen is okay. The display function is normal, and I change another color. Okay, no problem. And I show you one more time the price about 6,700. Okay, show you one more time the specification. The 2021 14-inch and the M1 Pro 32 gigabytes and 1 terabyte. Also, the battery capacity is 98% and 81 cycle count. Okay, this the space gray color. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. Okay. See you in the next video.